freedom of press is not just important to democracy, it is in itself a democracy. Press plays an important role in establishing and perpetuating social norms. Mark these words, put it into your head, sculpt it here, lock it, and do not let them go at any cost. Dear ladies and gentlemen, this is Utkarsh Belwal standing right here in front of you all to present to you the power of press in this 21st century era and to prove the actual fact that a pen is surely mightier than a sword. Well, I have a question for you all. After catching a little bit of attention towards this proverb, a spontaneous question arises. Oh man, how can be a pen mightier than a sword? Well, I'm here to tell you, but I want to ask you, how many of you have stepped into the deepness of this proverb? How many of you have actually analyzed the literal meaning of it? Well, if not, I am here exactly for the same reason. The pen is mightier than a sword signifies that words are even more convincing and effective. The capability of writing is far more significant than those hatred and wars. Try to understand it, dear ladies and gentlemen. Give it a thought. Written communication is far, far more intense than those physical strength of ours. Pens and swords do not work on their own. We are the ones who operate them. We are the ones who make a difference. Whether to fight unnecessarily or to just simply write. For example, great freedom fighters of our country, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, took the power of their swords to fight against the British in India. While on the other hand, some calm composed like Mahatma Gandhi, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, used the power of their pen to inscribe the tragedy and text of that time while they were in the prison. However, the power of the pen was treated more influential. I repeat, dear ladies and gentlemen, the power of the pen was treated more influential. Press has the power to inscribe, shape, and present something beautiful to its readers. With the development of the world from decades, we have observed that writing gives that certain charm to a reader. Writers have fought against sati pratha, child barriers, child education barriers for girls, and many more with the power of their writing, and were able to stir the entire world. Beside all of this, one major example that stands at its peak, speaks for itself, requires no words of description, is our very dear press media or print media. Press is considered to be the fourth pillar of a democratic society. It is acting as one of the oldest means of disseminating information. The contamination world of globalization has been witnessing impact of this press media immensely. It acts as a tool of communication, information, entertainment, and above all, acts as a tool of knowledge. Obviously, undoubtedly, it has played a vital role in pushing and supporting liberal forms like a democracy, value of common people in countries' economic sources and policies, etc. It has also worked excellently in settling up disputes among the people very, very peacefully. Press is acting as an advertising agent which uses printed materials like newspapers, articles, brochures, etc. and what not. In other words, in simple words, it uses printed technology to spread news all across the globe. Newspapers act as a predominant factor as it not only improves the reader's knowledge but also his language skills. A man who does not keep himself updated with the world current affairs is treated like an animal who just lives to eat and sleep. It is very important in today's world to keep ourselves updated. The news of a lorry killing 20 people in Quetta and a gunman shooting in 2 mosques in New Zealand spreads like wildfire with the help of press media or print media, that too with 100% accuracy rate. Yes, my dear friends, you heard it right, 100% accuracy rate. And keeping ourselves updated with today's scenario Print media or press media acts as an exact appropriate medium for that. Let's take our own example. How many of you can trust blindly on any other source of media except print media? Well, I'm damn sure the answer is a big no. We are also not very clear of the reason why. That is the beauty of this, dear ladies and gentlemen. But we understand certain fact that everything which is shown in media except print media cannot be 100% correct, and I challenge the whole globe. I repeat, dear ladies and gentlemen, I challenge the whole globe to deny that if an article or a column in a newspaper printed is not up to the mark or is inappropriate. This clearly shows what is the power of a pen and a press who manufactures the writing of that pen. Those journalists writing articles and columns under newspapers are far more dangerous than those fascists with their swords on. Do you know why? Because those journalists' pen have the power to shake the entire world. But those fascists could do nothing but kill people unnecessarily on the borders. The pen's writing would be more impactful and convincing on the people. The great thing about press is that it gave a voice to voiceless people. The great thing is that how it gave a voice to voiceless people. Dear ladies and gentlemen, you, me or anyone, if wants to revolt against a particular situation or raise voice against a particular incident or decision, press gives the required support and present it to the whole world with newspapers and articles. Well, in the end, the fact remains the same, that a free press is one of the pillars of democracy. Only security of all is in free press. Thank you, dear ladies and gentlemen. This is Kashmir Wal signing off. Goodbye.